Hello friends, welcome to the last video of the year, actually, when you think about it. Winter break is upon us, and then we'll have a nice 2 weeks off, and then it'll be 2014. So let's practice this little bit of review. It is something you should be familiar with already, but if you need a little extra help, here we are. We're rounding. What is 287,882 round to the nearest 100,000? 100,000. Step 1 is always underline what they want you to pay attention to. In this case, 100,000. Step 2 is always looking to the right of that underlined number. Step 3 is asking yourself, is it 5 or above or 4 or lower? 5 or more, raise the score. 4 or less, let it rest. So this 8 is bigger than 5, so you're going to raise the score. The underlined number becomes bigger. Everything to the right of it becomes 0. That would give us 300,000. Not satisfied yet? Let's do it again. What is 3,419 rounded to the nearest 100? Underline what they're talking about. That is the hundreds place. Okay? Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. That is the hundreds place. Step 2 is always look to the right. That's a 1. Is that bigger than 5? Is it 5 or bigger? No, it's not. So you're going to let the number rest. That 4 stays the same. Everything to the left of it stays the same too. Everything to the right turns to zeros. Booyah! Booyaka! Not convinced that you know what you're doing yet? That's okay, let's go again. What is $675.64 rounded to the nearest $100? Underline what they want you to talk about. There's your 100 right there. Alright, look to the right. Is that 7, 5 or more? Yeah, you bet you. You bet you 7's bigger than 5. So you round up. That 6 becomes a 7. Everything to the right of it becomes 0. I'll even put 0.00 to stress my point. Why-da? Feeling comfortable yet with this? No? Alright, let's do it again. What is 3.5391 rounded to the nearest 10th? Recognize that 10th with a th at the end is not the same as 10. If there were a tens place, it'd be somewhere over here, but there isn't one. 10th place is that first one past the decimal. Okay? That is worth knowing. Anyway, now that we know that that is the 10th place, we'll look to the right. Is it 5 or more? No, it's less than 5. 3 is less than 5. So we're going to let that 5 rest. As always, whatever's to the left of the number that we underlined stays exactly the same. But everything to the right of the number we underlined turns to zeros. Booyah! Let's keep going. What is 3.3105 rounded to the nearest 100th? Again, that th, we are not dealing with the hundredths place, which would be over here somewhere. We're dealing with the hundredths place, which is the second one past the decimal. Also worth knowing. Alright, so let's look to the right of that. Is that 5 or more? No, it's a 0. It doesn't get smaller than 0, really, unless you're dealing with negatives. But 0. So we're going to let that 1 rest. It stays the same. Everything to the left will stay the same, as always. Everything to the right turns into a 0. Even the 0 is still a 0. Man, that went way faster than I thought. We did pretty good. I mean, assuming that you were following along with me. Let's just do one more thing, since that was kind of quick. Just one more thing. Just relax, relax. I'm going to type a number here for you. 1,342,123.45. Okay? Just stick with me. I want you to know the name of each one of these places. And if you don't yet, we'll watch this a couple times. We'll start here, because most kids know that. It's the ones place. Next, tens place. Next, hundreds. ones, tens, hundreds. After that, thousands. After that, 10,000s. After that, 100,000s. After that, millions. Over here in decimal land, the first one is tenths with TH. The next one is hundredths with a TH. All right, let's start at the million, and I want you to really try this if you're watching at home. I want you to say it with me at the exact same time. We're going to start here, then go here, then go here, then go here, all the way to the end, and all you have to say is the name of the place we're in, okay? 3, 2, 1, millions, 100,000, 10,000, thousand, hundreds, tens, ones, we're passing the decimal now, tenths, hundredths. Whew, did you get that? Did you get that all in one go with me? If you did, you're doing all right. If you couldn't, maybe, I don't know, maybe you sit and you practice that a couple times. Here's your pop guide. Level 4 is right here. Multiple choice rounding, not so bad. Level 5, a little more challenging, and decimals are involved. Good luck to you. I hope you guys found that video helpful. I'll see you next time. Bye.